Mabuti, ikaw?
Mabuti naman po, salamat. So, nice to meet you po. Ako po si Charisse.
Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Ako ay si Faisal.
Ang galing po, ang galing niyo po. Kinagagalak ko din pong makilala kayo. Faisal. Ginoong Faisal. So, ito po yung, okay lang po bang magsalita ng diretsong Tagalog? Naintindihan niyo na po ako? O gusto niyo po?
Little.
Little. Okay. Sabihin niyo lang po kung ang bilis magsalita.
Try to speak slower, but
Okay.
in English you can speak like fastest speed, but in Tagalog you have to speak slower because I'm still Tagalog.
Okay po, wala pong problema. So, bale, matagal na po ba kayong aaral ng Tagalog?
Opo. Isang buwan.
Isang buwan na po? 1 month?
Opo.
Okay, so pwede niyo po bang ipakilala, magpakilala po kayo sa akin kung pwede po? Can you please introduce yourself po?
Sige. Opo. Kumusta po? Ako ay si Faisal. Ako ay mula sa Bangladesh, pero ako ay nakatira sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Sa Jeddah. Ano po ang ginagawa niyo po ngayon sa Jeddah? Kayo po ba
Ako ay trabaho.
Nagtatrabaho?
Nagtrabaho
Okay, very good. So, pero pinanganak po kayo sa Bangladesh, sabi niyo po?
Opo.
So, ano po ang iyong nasyonalidad?
Nasyonalidad sa Saudi Arabia?
Okay po. Ikaw po ay
ako ay mula sa Bangladesh.
Okay.
Pero nakatira sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Okay po. Pero ikaw ngayon ay nakatira sa Saudi Arabia.
Opo.
Bale, ilang taon na po kayo nakatira sa Saudi? Ilang taon na po? Like, how many years?
I'm born and raised here in Saudi Arabia, Jeddah.
Okay. Ano po ang iyong sitwasyon ngayon? May asawa na po ba kayo? Ikaw po ba ay may mga anak na po ba kayo?
You have. What is the situation like you have?
Ano po ang sitwasyon ninyo sa pamilya?
Pamilya nakatira sa Bangladesh?
Hindi po.
Dahil nag-aral Tagalog, dahil
kaya po kayo nag-aaral ng Tagalog dahil may nobya. Ilang taon na po kayo? Okay, bata pa po pala kayo.
Hindi ko intindihan.
Bata. Halos magkasing edad lang po tayo. Do you understand?
Edad is like age?
Yes, edad is age. So when I say halos magkasing edad lang po tayo, that I meant to say we're almost just the same age.
Like
ako po. Sabi ko po halos magkasing edad po tayo. Tayo is ako.
Like we tayo, yeah, like tayo. Us, right?
Yes.
But you look much younger. You don't look like
nataong
you don't look like you look like 22 or 23.
Salamat po talaga. Maraming salamat.
Actually most of the Filipina like 23. Yes. Even you, I was shocked when you said like almost 30.
Maniwala man po kayo o hindi, believe it or not. Maniwala man po kayo or hindi,
Can you write that down, believe it or not? Pakisayo.
Pakisulat.
Pakisulat po. Maniwala man po kayo o hindi, believe it
or maniwala ka man o hindi.
How to say or? I know how to say and. Same like Spanish. Okay.
O lang. Pag or. Sorry, wala. Hello, sorry po. Ayun, so, maniwala man po kayo, yung una po, kapag gusto mong mas maging magalang, polite.
Magalang? Polite?
Yes. So, ginagamit po yung po, di ba? Yung una ko pong, the first one that I wrote, maniwala man po kayo or hindi, it's to be more polite.
Okay.
Pero kapag if it's with your really close maniwala. You can just say, maniwala ka man o hindi.
Okay.
So, mas maging natural po.
Maniwala ka man o hindi. Maniwala is like in Indian language or Urdu language, sounds like The guy with the money.
Yan
Maniwala.
talaga po.
In Hindi. You know Hindi? Hindi is it's a language of India.
Yes.
But you use as a no. I don't know why. Kind of weird.
Opo. Opo, Hindi yung
Hindi
language
is the
nila.
language of India, but you're using as a no. Hindi means
Yes.
no. India, no.
Sa language po namin, hindi. Oo o hindi. Yes or no. So, ilang mga wika po or salita anong mga wika ang kaya mong
Salita
salita?
to speak, right?
Yes,
Uh-huh. Ilang ano?
isulat ko pa.
Oh.
Kayang salita.
How many languages do you speak?
Yes.
Lima? Mga lima wika?
Mhm.
Limang
wika.
Opo, limang wika. Puedo salita.
Okay.
Mga wika.
To answer, in English, I can speak 5 languages. So, sa Tagalog, you can say, 5 wika. Ang kaya kong sabihin o ang alam ko. 5 wika ang alam ko.
5 wika ang alam ko.
Ano po 'yun? Anong wika? Which language?
Opo. Bengali, Arabic, Hindi, the language of India, English, Spanish. Now, Tagalog will be 6th.
Wow. Awesome. Ang galing po. I'm impressed.
Salamat po.
Ang galing. Because you learned it when you were young?
Opo. Yeah. Like these 3 languages, Bengali, Arabic, and Hindi, I've learned when I was a kid. And like English, I've learned 10 years back, and Spanish 2.5 years back.
Okay. Tapos, soon na ang Tagalog naman. Nakakatuwa. Soon is Tagalog. You will be able to speak Tagalog.
Opo. At least I can. It will take me 1 year. I'm not in a hurry, but I'm learning every day.
Tama po yan. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan. Slowly.
Slowly. Okay.
Dahan-dahan.
Dahan. Yeah, I remember this word. I've like tried to remember. Dahan in Arabic means like wall paint. You know.
Okay.
So slowly I wall my paint. I paint the wall. Sorry, like dahan. It's my strategy to remember vocabularies. Like how I remember the word maingay. Like in English sounds like kind of weird, but it's like just to remember. I know it sounds stupid like this. The main gay is noisy. To remember.
Yes. Tama po yun.
Opo, like that.
Is maingay.
Just to remember, I have to use like English pronunciation just to remember. So I have to, then later I can convert into Tagalog version, or the Tagalog pronunciation. But in English, it's main gay, right? It sounds like main gay, but just to remember,
Maingay.
Yeah, maingay. But the spelling in English sounds like main gay, right?
Okay.
Yeah, it's stupid, but just to remember. But I know the pronunciation now. Yeah, just I have to focus on the pronunciation. That's it. And the other word is the other vocabulary is mainit, right? Mainit is hot. Just to remember, like the main weather in Jeddah is hot. To remember like that.
So
Main, I'm like using in English like main. Because the same spelling but different pronunciation. So yeah.
Okay, no problem. If that helps you po.
It's like it's like personal like sentence. I'm just giving example so that you can use with your give them like tips to remember vocabularies with your other students. You can use them too. But in your own way, or let them choose their way.
We all find some techniques to learn. But actually po, you're my first. Ikaw po yung pinakauna kong estudyante.
Really?
Talaga, opo. Kasi bago lang po ako sa platform.
You're new?
Bago lang po ako. Opo.
Bago lang. Bago is a name, yeah. Remember that word. I've learned from maybe Duolingo, bago.
So, maraming salamat po sa pagpili po sa akin.
Walang anuman.
Ano po ang mga like goals po or objectives niyo po para po sa everyday or
I don't get your point.
So yes,
like
what are
every day you speak?
what are your learning? What do you want to learn? Are there any specific things that you want to learn in Tagalog?
I just want to be good at like conversational Tagalog as soon as possible. Yeah, as quick as possible. Yeah, that's my goal.
Okay po. So, kailangan
relax.
So, pakikipag-usap everyday conversation. Maybe talking about yourself po, no? And the weather,
Opo.
for example.
Opo.
Okay po.
Sounds good.
Okay po. What are the things? Ano po yung mga gusto ninyong gawin as a hobby? Mahilig. Mahilig, that means I like.
Mahilig.
I like to.
Also, you can use like gusto.
Yes, or gusto. Gusto kong.
Gusto kong. I always use that because it's similar to Spanish, so I remember.
Talaga po.
Gusto kong.
Yung word na gusto.
Opo. Because it's similar to Spanish and easy to remember. Now it's like that's an alien vocabulary for me, like mahilig.
Ayan, kasi po, mas natural, if you're talking about what you want to do, mas okay po yung gamitin yung mahilig. It's better to use the word mahilig. Than the word, pwede rin naman po yung word na gusto, pero it's more, gusto ko to, like, gusto kong kumain. That means, I like to eat.
To eat.
Like, gusto ko nang kumain. I like to eat right now. So, ano pa po ang mga mga hilig niyong gawin? Ano pa po ang mga hilig niyong gawin?
Mahilig?
Mga hilig. To study is mag-aral. Alam niyo po yung word to study?
Mag-aral?
Yes.
Opo, mag-aral.
Mag-aral ng... Okay, kaya niyo po bang sabihin yon sa Tagalog? Can you please say it po in Tagalog? Those.
Okay.
Sige po, try lang po. Wala pong, no pressure po.
Nagmaga?
Okay, kaya niyo po bang sabihin, can you say it now po with the things, with the translation bit?
Sige. Mahilig akong manood ng mga life hack videos o nakakatawang palabas, mag-aral wika at relihiyon.
At mag-aral to study about religion po?
Opo.
Okay. At mag-aral tungkol sa relihiyon. Tungkol?
Can you write that? Tungkol?
See you for next time.
Opo.
Okay.
Ingat.
Maraming salamat po. Ingat po.
Wala nga naman. Hanggang sa muli. Kita-kits.